Good morning, friends. As we focus on the Lord in this Lenten season, we yearn to see into the Spirit as we read Psalms 119 and verse 18. Open my eyes, that I may see your wondrous things from your law. Please pray with me. Father, today I ask you to open my eyes to see more of you. Awaken my spiritual sight so that I may recognize your presence, your truth, and your work in my life. Remove every dullness, distraction, or spiritual blindness, and give me a fresh awareness of your nearness. As I hunger for you, let me not only seek you, but truly see you moving in around me. Reveal the beauty of your word and the depth of your heart. I desire to know you more clearly and walk with you more closely. Open my eyes, Lord, and draw me deeper into your presence. Amen.